Hello, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here to talk about the Christmas Ornament Challenge that is hosted by Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter and myself. I ain't going to tell you the details, okay? I'm just going to send you to Sabrina the Mismatch Crafter's channel. It's going to be linked in the bottom. If you're not subscribed to her already, go over subscribe, watch the video, see what you have to do. Because you know what, guys? This is an easy challenge. Easy peasy. And there's a gift card in for a winner, and possibly two. So go over and see what she has to say. Like I said, her channel will be linked in the description box below. Alrighty, thank you guys for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now. Hope to see you over on Sabrina's challenge video.